A dog walks into a butcher shop and the butcher asks, "What do you want?" The dog points to steak. "How many pounds?" The dog barks 3 times. So the butcher wraps up a 3-pound steak and places the bag in the dog's mouth. He then takes money from a purse tied around the dog's neck and sees him out. A customer, who has been watching in amazement, follows the dog to a house several streets away, where it rings the doorbell to be let in. As the owner appears at the door, the customer says, "What an incredible dog." "Incredible?" says the owner. "This is the second time this week he's forgotten his keys."
Oh.